Guys, welcome back to the channel. Pretty excited today just because we're reviewing a... what kind of car is it, Lyle?
1967 Mustang Coupe.
Beauty. So we were fortunate enough to get Lyle to bring his car, the 67 Coupe. Yeah, how long have you had the car, Lyle?
15 years now.
15 years?
Yeah, restored it about 10 years ago.
Okay.
We've got a 289 V8 C4 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch in the back, posi
nice.
Traction.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it.
Pretty cool. And you did some upgrades too, or you kind of reconditioned the interior too, right? It looks really good.
Interior's all been done, well, quite a while ago now. We've got carpets and headliner, door panels, seats are all redone, dash is done. Yeah, new wooden steering wheel. Just awesome. A nice cruiser.
Super cool. So, how much would this go for if we were to buy it, Lyle?
Ooh.
I'm sure the people want to know.
Ooh.
You're not selling it, are you? Although we want him to, he probably isn't. So, better luck next time. So you've had the car for a little bit, Lyle, and what would you say is your favorite part of the car? Like, everything is awesome, but...
It's an easy driver. It's not built super powerful. It's a nice street cruiser. Everybody sees you. You don't have to tell anybody what it is.
That's true.
Everyone knows it's a Mustang, so it's just fun cruising around, windows down. Yep, wind in the hair.
There you go. Tell me you take this out in the winter. Get some winter tires
Never.
on it.
No rain. Yeah, even if it's cloudy, it stays inside.
What? When's the last time it saw some rain, eh?
Last year I got caught in the rain.
Yikes. And then you spent 2 days cleaning it up again. So how many of these do you see driving on the road, like the 67? How common are these to see like driving around? I know you go to your car meets and stuff like that, right? Because you go basically everywhere, Okanagan and whatnot, but...
Because they made millions of them, there's still quite a few on the road today. Some are really nice, some are not as nice, but yeah, there's quite a few. Okay. You're driving around, I see the odd one. Yeah. We wave at each other.
It's the dark green color too. You redid it, and you can see the interior here. Now, Lyle, what were you saying about the steering wheel? It's not...
The factory wheel is plastic, meant to look like wood. I upgraded to a real wood steering wheel.
So you got a real wood steering wheel right there. That's awesome. And then coming around here,
that's a disc brake upgrade I put in, so it stops better. There's a steering rack upgrade, so it steers and stops and drives like a much newer vehicle.
Awesome.
Factory V8, just a little bit more powerful.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I mean, even on the drive up here, you got some pretty good guts in there. Let's check out under the hood here, Lyle.
Under there is the factory 289 motor that came with the car. I upgraded with the cam, a 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum intake, and headers. Awesome. That's about it.
All right, I think it's time we get this Mustang fired right up. Lyle, what do you think?
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go. Not your 4-cylinder, that's for sure. Wow.
Nice choppy idle, sits there, ready to go.
Well, you can see the whole thing shaking right now. It's just like,
it's ready.
Move. Seeing as it's a 67, there's no backup camera, so we're doing it old school, right, Lyle?
Yeah.
There you go. Parallel parking like a boss. One other thing to point out, where's our safety gear here, Lyle?
That's it right there.
All right, nice and squishy, so if you hit your...
it's your knee pad.
Knee pad.
That's all you got.
That's half the reason you buy one of these, right?
That's right. Safety second.
Yeah. Redid the interior there. Lyle, you said you did the headliner and everything too? Looks really clean.
Headliner, dash pad.
Yeah.
column, side panels, carpets.
Awesome. Looks sharp. Alright guys, big thanks to Lyle over here for bringing by his 67 Mustang. That thing is totally awesome. Got a little bit of footage of it. If any of you are interested, he'd probably be the guy to ask as far as restoring one or getting one. If you guys did like the video, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you soon for the next video.